Have you ever felt like your world is crumbling around you and you're left wondering how to pick up the pieces? What if I told you that this very breakdown could be the key to unlocking the most profound transformation of your life? In this video, we'll delve into how confronting and accepting life's challenges head-on can pave the way for incredible personal growth and lead you to a more genuine, fulfilling existence. Breakdowns are an inherent part of the human experience. No matter who you are or where you come from, everyone faces challenges, setbacks, and moments of despair at some point in their lives. It's crucial to understand that it's not about trying to avoid these breakdowns altogether, but rather learning how to navigate them when they inevitably arise. Life is full of ups and downs, and it's during the downs that we have the opportunity to grow the most. When we hit rock bottom, it can feel like the end of the world. However, this lowest point can actually be a blessing in disguise. It serves as a wake-up call, forcing us to confront our deepest fears, insecurities, and the parts of ourselves we may have been avoiding. It's in these moments of complete despair that we have the chance to reassess our lives, our priorities, and what truly matters to us. Hitting rock bottom can be the catalyst for change, pushing us to make the necessary shifts to create a life that aligns with our authentic selves. One of the most challenging aspects of going through a breakdown is the feeling of losing control. We often try to resist the process, desperately clinging to the way things were or how we think they should be. However, this resistance only intensifies our suffering. Instead, learning to surrender to the process can be incredibly liberating. By letting go of our need for control and allowing ourselves to flow with life's currents, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and perspectives. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting that even in the midst of chaos, there is a higher purpose at work. When we're in the throes of a breakdown, it's easy to be hard on ourselves. We may feel like we've failed, that we're not strong enough, or that we're somehow to blame for our circumstances. However, treating ourselves with kindness and understanding during these difficult times is crucial for our healing and growth. Self-compassion involves recognizing that we're human and that experiencing pain and struggle is a part of the human condition. It's about speaking to ourselves with the same love and understanding we would offer a dear friend going through a tough time. By cultivating self-compassion, we create a safe space for ourselves to process our emotions, learn from our experiences, and ultimately grow. In the midst of a breakdown, it can be challenging to see any purpose or meaning in our suffering. However, these difficult periods can actually be incredible opportunities for deep introspection and self-discovery. By asking ourselves profound questions about our lives, our values, and what we truly want, we can begin to uncover a deeper sense of purpose and direction. It's often through the struggle that we gain clarity about what matters most to us and what changes we need to make to align our lives with our authentic selves. By viewing our breakdowns as opportunities for growth and self-discovery, we can find meaning in even the darkest of times. One of the most powerful tools we have during a breakdown is our vulnerability. Opening up and sharing our struggles with others can be incredibly healing, both for ourselves and for those around us. When we're vulnerable, we create space for genuine connection and understanding. We allow others to see our humanity, and in turn, we give them permission to share their own struggles and vulnerabilities. By leaning on others for support and being open about our experiences, we realize that we're not alone in our pain. This realization can be incredibly comforting and can help us feel more connected to the world around us. During a breakdown, it's common to feel like we've failed in some way, whether it's a relationship that didn't work out, a job loss, or a personal setback. These perceived failures can be incredibly challenging to navigate. However, by reframing failure as feedback, we can begin to see these experiences in a new light. Every setback or challenge we face is an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. By viewing failure as a teacher rather than a punishment, we can extract valuable lessons and insights that will serve us in the future. Some of the most successful people in the world have faced countless failures on their path to success. The key is to keep learning, adapting, and moving forward. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to pick ourselves up after we've been knocked down. It's a crucial skill to develop, especially when navigating the ups and downs of life. Breakdowns, while challenging, can actually be incredible opportunities to cultivate resilience. By facing our challenges head-on and working through them, we develop a sense of inner strength and adaptability. We learn that we are capable of handling difficult situations and that we have the tools and resources within us to overcome even the toughest obstacles. Cultivating resilience involves developing a growth mindset, practicing self-care, and surrounding ourselves with supportive people who believe in our ability to thrive. Breakdowns often involve significant life changes and periods of uncertainty. Whether it's the end of a relationship, a career transition, or a personal crisis, these changes can be scary and unsettling. However, learning to view change and uncertainty as opportunities for growth and exploration can be incredibly empowering. When we resist change, we limit ourselves and our potential. By embracing the unknown and trusting in our ability to adapt and thrive, we open ourselves up to new experiences, relationships, and possibilities. It's in these moments of uncertainty that we have the chance to reinvent ourselves and create a life that truly aligns with our deepest desires and values. The journey through a breakdown is rarely easy. It can be messy, painful, and at times feel like an uphill battle. However, by facing our challenges with courage, self-compassion, and a willingness to learn and grow, we can emerge from the ashes of our breakdowns as stronger, wiser, and more authentic versions of ourselves. This process of transformation allows us to shed old patterns, beliefs, and limitations that no longer serve us. It's a chance to reconnect with our true essence and build a life that reflects our deepest values and aspirations. Rising from the ashes is about trusting in our own resilience, leaning on the support of others, and having faith in the journey, even when the path ahead is unclear. Breakdowns, while challenging, can be incredible catalysts for growth and transformation. By facing our struggles with courage, self-compassion, and an open heart, we can unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Remember, you are not alone in your pain. Everyone faces challenges and setbacks, and it's through these difficult times that we have the opportunity to grow the most. Trust in your own resilience, lean on the support of others, and have faith in the journey. You have the strength within you to rise from the ashes of your breakdowns and create a life of authentic purpose and joy. Embrace the process, stay open to the lessons, and know that your greatest transformations often lie on the other side of your greatest challenges.